A tiny kitten stuck high on a tree, trembling with fear. Can a group of small children come together to save it in time? This heartwarming story follows a kind little girl, Goldie, who hears a faint cry for help and sets out on a mission of compassion. With teamwork and courage, a group of children prove that even the smallest helpers can make a big difference. The Little Kitten on the Tall Tree by Mukhtar Ahmad. One day, Goldie was sitting in her room, playing with her toys, when she heard a faint meow, meow sound. She quickly stood up, went to the window, and looked outside. She saw a small kitten sitting high up on a tall mango tree, meowing helplessly. It had somehow climbed up the tree, but now it could not come down. Goldie ran outside and stood near the tree, looking up. The kitten looked very frightened. Its little body was trembling. Seeing this, Goldie felt very sorry for it. But she was too small to help. It was impossible for her to reach the high branch where the kitten was sitting. After thinking for a moment, she decided to seek help from Javed, an 8-year-old boy who lived in her neighborhood. She ran to his house and found him flying a kite in his lawn. Seeing Goldie, Javed said, "Great! You've come, Goldie. Come, fly a kite with me. It's so much fun." Goldie replied, "Yes, I will, but later. Right now, I came to tell you that a small kitten is in trouble. It has climbed very high up our mango tree and cannot come down." As soon as Javed heard this, he quickly brought down his kite and said, "That's very bad. We must help it immediately. What if it falls down?" Both of them rushed to the tree. Javed looked up at the kitten, then scratched his head thoughtfully and said, "Goldie, hurry. Go bring Samira and Mary to my house. I'll call Ayan and Salman. Together, we'll bring a big ladder and rescue the kitten." Soon, all the children gathered at Javed's house. There was a big ladder kept behind his house. They all carried it together and brought it to Goldie's house. They placed the ladder against the tree. Javed began to climb it. Afraid that the ladder might slip, Goldie, Samira, Mary, Ayan, and Salman held it firmly from both sides. Javed soon reached the kitten and gently picked it up with one hand. Then he carefully climbed down the ladder. In a short while, he was safely back on the ground with his friends. All the children clapped happily when the kitten was rescued. Just then, a cat came running towards them from the flower beds, meowing loudly. Ayan said, "This must be the kitten's mother." Javed placed the kitten on the ground. The cat came close, lovingly licked it, and then took it away into the flower beds. Samira said, "The cat's home is in those flower beds." Goldie smiled and said, "From now on, I will also leave some milk there for her kittens." All the children were very happy that, with their teamwork, they had saved the kitten. Afterward, they carefully carried the ladder back and placed it again at Javed's house. Moral lesson: always help others in need. When we work together, even the most difficult tasks become easy.